problem solving using an angle of elevation, sighting the top of a building, a surveyor measured the angle of elevation to be 22 degrees. The transit is 5 feet above the ground and 300 feet from the building. Find the building's height. Okay, so now we have, so let me see here what, so now to find here the height of the building A, here is written with the A. So from the observer to the building is 300 feet and the angle of elevation 22 degrees. So what we are looking here, we can use a SOHCAHTOA. Okay, we are using right triangle trigonometry, and we are looking which one is better to use here, which is a SOHCAH or TOA is better. But what do I have here? I have a and I have a opposite. So this is a opposite, this is a hypotenuse, and this is adjacent, because opposite to the 22 degree. This angle, this is a hypotenuse and this is adjacent. I have adjacent and the opposite, so it's better to use a tangent. TOA. So the tangent here, theta, we already know, according to the definition, is equal with the opposite side of the triangle divided by the adjacent. And in this case, the opposite, we have a and adjacent we have 300 feet. So let me write just 300 without the units, and later on we are going to use the units. And from here we are using theta is 22 degrees, so tangent of 22 degree is equal with a over 300. If I multiply everything by 300, okay, everything by 300, so this side by 300 and this side by 300, so this 300 with this 300 get away, so then a is equal with 300 times tangent of 22 degree, and this is going to be equal, so this is 300, and now we needed to calculate the tangent of 22 degree. So let's see what is happening here, tangent of 22. So I have a 22 and I'm going in the tangent. I have this value here. So is a 0.40. But now, so let me write here 0.40. But now I have this 0.40 to multiply by 300 times 300. And we have a 120.207. So let me approximate this number is 121.2078. 2078, and I can write another decimal. So let me, instead of the 6 here, let me write a 7. Let me round here. So this is going to be, but this is a feet, okay? So this is the distance of the A. But we want to know the building. Building, you see here, we have a 5 feet is a lower. So it's lower, and we have to account or to calculate the height of the building and this 5 feet. We have to account for this 5 feet. So the height of the buildings, let me write the height of the building HB is going to be A plus 5 feet. Okay, so plus 5 feet. A we already have is a 121. So the height of the building is going to be equal with 121 point. Let me approximate this number to 2 decimal places. 21, for example, feet plus here is a 5 feet, and if we are calculating everything here, the height of the building is going to be 121 plus 5 is 126.21 feet high. So this is the height of the building.